In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Shopify Flow so you can automate things in your store using no code. Hey, my name is John. I run a team of Shopify developers, and I can tell you that Shopify Flows, even for us developers, has been a game changer. So let me show you how to hop into Shopify Flows. And before I start, I just want to note that at the moment of recording this video, Shopify Flows is only for Shopify Plus customers. This may change, but as I record this video, it's not. All right, so what we're gonna wanna do is head over to the left-hand side here, click on apps, and you're gonna see Shopify Flow. Once you hit Shopify Flow, click that, and if you're like me, you could just pin it right here to the left-hand side. Now, what we're gonna create a flow for today is if there is a high-risk order, I wanna know about it so that I can check the order before I ship it out. So we're gonna create an automation that says, hey, there's a high-risk order, please email myself and customer service so that it's flagged and reviewed immediately. So what we're gonna do is go over here to create workflow. We're going to select a trigger, and we're going to scroll down, and you're gonna see order risk analyzed. Now, if an order risk is analyzed, then we're gonna wanna click this little button here. We're gonna wanna set a condition. Once you click that, you're gonna see another set of options that populate. And here's how we're gonna set the condition that if an order risk is analyzed and the order is high, we wanna flag it. So what we're gonna do is go add criteria, click order risk level is equal to, I'm gonna click high. Then we're still gonna wanna capture the payment. So let's make sure we still capture payment. So now that we know the order risk level is high, we capture the payment, and then we're gonna wanna send an action. We wanna send an email to internal. I'm gonna send this email to support. And we're gonna send this email over to customer service at Michelle. There is a high risk order. Please check it out. Hey, this is an automated email to inform you an order is flagged as high risk. Please review and approve. All right, and there we go. We're set. Let's name this workflow high risk alert. We can go ahead and turn on this workflow, and you're all set. You'll see here, when you go to workflows, you have the high risk alert. Here it is. You can go back in here and edit anytime you want. This is a very simple use case, but I just wanted to show you how it works. There are tons of ways you can do it. I've heard of other people using ChatGPT. If certain conditions are met, please respond with this and with this. There's a lot of creative ways you can use this. I'm hoping this is just a start for whoever's watching this video. If you found any cool ways to use Shopify Flows, go ahead and comment them in the comments section. We'd love to hear it. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Hit subscribe and see you later.